Hello and welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to bolden text and also add italic text in a Google document. The first thing you need to do is go and open the Google document that you want to bolden text or highlight the text in italics. Once you have opened the document, go ahead and tap on the pencil at the right bottom corner of your screen. Identify the text that you want to make bolder. For instance, we want to make this sentence bolder. We want to bolden it. For you to bolden it, just highlight it. Once you have highlighted it, click on the formatting option B that appears on the top of your keyboard. And that is it. The text has been boldened. If you want to italize a word or make it in italic format, go ahead and also do the same. Highlight the word that you want to write in italics. After the B that is bold, we have letter I, and this represents italic. Go ahead and tap on italics. So that's how you italize a word or a phrase in Google Documents using your smartphone. And the third thing I want us to see how to change the text color of a word in a Google document. For instance, we have this Word document and we want to change this from black to red. For you to do so, just go ahead and highlight the word and then come to the color option which is shown by A and tap on it. And from here we shall have the text color bar. Go ahead and tap on it. From here we shall have intensity of the color red that we have chosen. Choose the intensity that you want to use. And from here you can see the text color has changed. If you want even to make it much bolder, you can go ahead and select it and make it even bolder. If you found this video helpful, kindly like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye bye.